Sines has streamlined the permitting process, making it safe, neutral, resilient, and easy place to land and operate submarine cables. From scattering tech parks to state-of-the-art data centers, infrastructural growth in Sines is a testimonial to its global ambitions. The dream EllaLink had of Sines is becoming a vibrant reality.
Portugal's geographical location places the country at the heart of the Atlantic's international subsea cable crossroads. With the EllaLink Vasco da Gama cable landing station in Sines, inaugurated in June 2021, Portugal gained a new strategic advantage, strengthening its digital ties across continents and positioning itself as a key connectivity hub between Europe and Latin America. Ongoing cable landing projects, including the new route to North America, continue to expand on this foundation, extending the country's digital reach to nearly every continent. Nested on the southwestern coast of Portugal lies Sines, the city where EllaLink ignited a true digital transformation. Sines, through the EllaLink Vasco da Gama cable landing station, now provides Portugal and Europe with critical network diversity, redundancy, and unprecedented resilience. Welcome to Sines, the birthplace of Portugal's new Atlantic digital era, where global innovation and connectivity converge. With a rich maritime history, Sines is now charting a new course, driven by technology, sustainability, and the pioneering EllaLink connection that linked Europe directly to South America for the first time. From Sines, the EllaLink submarine system stretches across a direct 6,000-kilometer route to Fortaleza, Brazil, bridging two continents through high-speed, low-latency connectivity. The trunk incorporates 7 branching units designed from the start to enable further system extensions, ensuring that Sines will remain at the center of future digital growth. Since its completion in 2021, EllaLink has expanded its reach to connect Madeira, Cabo Verde, and Morocco, with upcoming extensions to Mauritania, French Guiana, and northern Brazil, reinforcing Portugal's global connectivity leadership. On land, EllaLink's network extends from Sines to Lisbon and Madrid, the Iberian Ring, and to Sao Paulo and Rio de Janeiro in Brazil, driving global interconnection between Europe, South America, and beyond. Today, Sines is more than an industrial port. It is Portugal's digital port. Supported by EllaLink, its unique combination of ready land, high-capacity power infrastructure, and robust backhaul networks make it an ideal site for future submarine cables and data-driven investment. As Portugal strengthens its digital economy, Sines stands as the cornerstone of this transformation. The EllaLink landing marked the beginning of the city's new role as Europe's Atlantic gateway, where global connectivity meets innovation.
The EllaLink infrastructure has set up the foundations for the existing subsea Atlantic hub and data center campus in Sines. The city of Sines is strategically positioned to address the issue of infrastructure diversity and is the ideal location for the construction of the connectivity hub that we see already in the region. Portugal has a strategic and geographic location, acting as a gateway to Africa, the Americas, the Middle East, and obviously to Europe. Sines is indeed a connectivity gem, over 240,000 square meters of land to build on, and power lines ranging from 50 to 400 kV in green power. With the EllaLink cable system, Sines became the new gateway to Latin America, Europe, and Western Africa, with key projects like the Sines Tech or the Sines Atlantic Hub leading the change. The city is rapidly attracting the attention of global technology and telecommunication giants, and new connections to other markets are now being built. We see a bright connectivity future coming here. We have cables arriving from North Atlantic, South Atlantic, Africa, and a reliable and diversified front-haul infrastructure to land these cables, facilitating the link to key connectivity hubs in Europe, Africa, and Latin America, and soon to North America, with impressive low latencies.
As Sines continues to evolve, its transformation is evident not just in infrastructure, but in identity, blending its maritime legacy with the innovation sparked by EllaLink's Atlantic connection. Every growth story faces challenges, and Sines is no different. As it ventures into the future, adaptability and perseverance will be key.
EllaLink cable landed during the COVID pandemic, and we made it. Every project brings challenges, but the way we turned it around guaranteed the safety for all, and the stability and robustness of the process was impressive. We invite you all to join us as this captivating transformation unfolds.